Yes, of course I can do that. That's well within my superhuman powers to show you stuff like that. Listen, again, if you try and sell on price, you're screwed. It is a race to the bottom. And at the bottom of the pile is always somebody who can sell cheaper or who is prepared to sell cheaper than you are. Okay? So don't try and be a price seller on Amazon. Instead, try and be a smart marketer on Amazon. Now, what the hell does that mean? Well, let's just go look at oops, I'm having a brain block. Now, I know that I've spelled that completely wrong because clearly I'm a complete nutcase at there we go. Thank you, Neil. All right, so here is a very simple thing, moisturizer, okay? Now, moisturizer is just goop you put on your face. That's all it is. It's goop that you put on your face. And I sell in this marketplace. And look at the price differences. Just on this page, we've got $13, $21, so almost twice the price. $12, $43, so 3 times the price. $13, $8, $28, $90, $15, $136, all for the same basic product, moisturizer. However, it is not the same in the minds of the buyer. It is not the same in the minds of the buyer. Whilst it may be physically and oftentimes exactly the same actual goop, it is not the same in the mind of the buyer. And it's in the minds of the buyer where you make your money. That's where the money is made in business, in the minds of the buyer. All right, let's play a little game. Toothpaste. Let's do toothpaste. All right, so toothpaste. We all brush our teeth. Even though I'm a POM, I still get to brush my teeth at least once a week anyway. And there are... Surely you only need one kind of toothpaste for your teeth. Am I right? Can you think of the different kinds of toothpaste that are out there? What sort of different niches of a generic product like toothpaste can you think of? Organic, says Lauren. Well done. Herbal, says Arnett. Gum care, says Brad. Well done. Fluoride free. Very well done. Bamboo, charcoal. Well done. Says Dave. Rob says whitening. Lauren says whitening. Elaine says no fluoride. Chrissy says whitening. Charcoal. Lucy says whitening. Whitening and sensitive. There's another one. Sensitive. Enamel repair. Well done, Brad. Sensitive whitening. Natural, says Kathy. There's another one. Medicinal, says Rob. Well done. Quality toothpaste. Peppermint. There's a good one. Peppermint. Denture toothpaste. Ayurvedic toothpaste. Toothpaste for dry mouths. Toothpaste for kids. Banana flavors for kids. Fresh breath toothpaste. What about baking soda toothpaste? Smoker's toothpaste. What else can I think of? Enamel tartar control toothpaste. Toothpaste for dogs. Toothpaste for sparkling teeth. Pain-free toothpaste. Do you get the idea? Like, there's a lot of different kinds of toothpaste, all right? And here's the important thing. There is out there somebody brushing their teeth, actually a group of people brushing their teeth that have said to themselves, wow, if only I could get a fluoride-free toothpaste, that would be brilliant because I don't want to put fluoride in my body. Or there's a group of people out there that have said, wow, if only I could get Ayurvedic toothpaste. Or I want to get my teeth nice and sparkly and white. Or I'm a smoker. I need a toothpaste specifically for me. Or what about the toothpaste for my kids? Or my dog's breath stinks. What about toothpaste for them? There's just oodles of different marketplaces. But if you just try and sell toothpaste, you'll fail. You will fail. That's why you've got to make the effort to understand your customers, who want to have fluoride-free toothpaste, natural toothpaste, tartar control toothpaste, whatever it may be. And by putting together a product specifically for those people, that's how you win. But not only do you win, you also get to charge more for it as well. So here's an interesting thing. The more care you take putting together your product for a specific group of people, the more profit you can make from that product. That's an interesting correlation. The more care you take, the more money you can make. I like that correlation because it encourages good behavior from us to care more about the people we're putting products together for. So, Jeff, Mr. Murphy, I hope that helps for you to think about what it is you're selling and why it's of zero consequence, within reason of course, what you charge. Because if you do a good job of setting up your product properly, within reason, you can charge whatever you want for it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.